Hello ladies and gentlemen, friends and family, random people on the internet whom I have never met before. Welcome back to another video. My name's RFPV. We're on our way to go and fly at a park. Oh yeah, the most interesting thing of all time. You know how it is. I love flying at parks. That's just kind of how it goes. I'm going to be trying to make a little vlog style video here. As you can see, I'm doing an intro in my car on the way. We're going to be joined by my friend Katy Miller, who is Swifty Flights on the YouTubes, and his buddy Spencer. I'm not sure. I don't remember the top of my head. I'm so sorry, Spencer. Anyways, it's really nice outside, and it's going to be an opportunity for us to hopefully get some sweet follow footage. And as the sun goes down here, maybe in an hour or so, get some of that good sideways light action. You know how it is with FPV. Anyways, this has been a long intro. It's almost a minute long, so catch you at the park.
I don't wanna be here no more. I'm falling through the cracks in my floor.
So as you can see, we are the first one here. Still waiting on my buddy Casey and my other buddy Spencer. But we're gonna do some warming up with the Tiny Hawk Freestyle, my favorite quad. This sick little custom frame. It's just a good opportunity to wait for my mates and warm up the sticks to make sure I'm not totally dry when he does decide to eventually show up.
I'm fading, don't hate me now. I don't wanna be here no more. Let's start with a bang. Get lost in the city lights, drown in a lullaby. We cut like a samurai, sting like a butterfly. It's so hazy, don't blame me now. We're lost in the city lights, cut like a samurai. Throw another star in the sky. Let's find another heart to deny. I'm chasing your fading out. I'ma put a spark in your eye. Let's start with a bang. Get lost in the city lights, drown in a lullaby. We cut like a samurai, sting like a butterfly. It's so hazy, don't blame me now. We're lost in the city lights, cut like a samurai.
Bruh! Bruh! Bruh. Bruh. Ah. Well, what do you think? Was it successful?
It was.
Other than Spencer not charging his freaking...
Yeah, you gotta charge your shit.
You gotta learn how to charge your stuff.
Watching is just as fun, like being a spectator of this shit.
Yeah, yeah. It's cool to like watch other people fly quads when you're not the only one in the pilot seat. It's nice to get a perspective and get some other ideas.
Are we a vlog squad now?
Sorta.
Does this count as
Can
a
be.
vlog squad?
Dude, trying different shit with my fucking videos. I'm tired of making just music videos and no narration.
Well, see, I don't want to do the narration. I just try to get that cinematic.
Hey, you know, that's fair.
I'm
Nice
trying to go to destinations. No, dude, the most epic shot you could ever get, orbiting yourself while standing on top of the pyramid.
That would be...
Do all 13 wonders, bro, and be like at the top.
Like
One day.
the Great Wall of China.
One day. But for today, we were successful with the matty flips and the trippy spins. The video is gonna be sweet. Catch you guys in the next one.
Vid joke. The vid joke. Coming down.
You all right, mate?
I heard it sounded
Just
weird.
bent a few props.
I think it might
Yeah,
just be the fucked up
It
props.
sounded weird for sure.
It might be this one right here.
Probably. It's probably all of it.